Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about free time, how we spend it, and why it's so important for our happiness and balance.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tom. Free time is something we all need, but sometimes we forget how to use it wisely. It's not just about resting. It's about recharging, exploring, learning, and enjoying life.
Before we start, Tom, do you notice a difference between your free time on weekdays and weekends?
Absolutely. On weekdays, my free time is usually short, so I focus on quiet, relaxing activities like reading a book, watching a TV show, listening to music, or going for a walk. I usually keep it simple so I can recharge after a busy day. But weekends are completely different. I like to do more social and adventurous things, like meeting friends, exploring new cafes, taking short trips, or trying new hobbies. Weekends feel like a little adventure, and I try to plan them to make the most of my time. What about you?
I feel the same. Weekdays are mostly for resting and doing small activities at home because I'm usually tired after work. Weekends feel like a mini vacation, so I try to enjoy them more. I sometimes meet friends for brunch, visit a park, go to a museum, explore a new part of the city, or even try a new activity I haven't done before. Planning even just one or two fun activities makes the weekend feel special and gives me something to look forward to.
That's true. Even small plans can make a big difference. It's nice to have a mix of relaxing and social activities depending on your mood.
Exactly. And do you prefer spending free time indoors or outdoors, Tom?
It depends on my mood, but usually I choose outdoors. I love being in nature, feeling fresh air, and exploring new places. Even a simple walk in the park or around the city can really lift my spirits. How about you?
I enjoy both, but I lean more toward indoor activities. I love cozy vibes at home, reading a book under a blanket, watching a good movie, cooking, baking something new, or doing a creative project. Home feels like my safe and peaceful space to fully relax.
I understand that. Home is perfect for quiet time, but sometimes I need to go outside to feel energized. Even sitting in a cafe, watching people, and feeling the energy of the city can be very refreshing.
Oh, yes. I love that too. I sometimes bring a book to a cafe or do a little journaling. The sounds, the smell of coffee, and the quiet background create the perfect atmosphere to relax and reflect.
Free time isn't just for relaxing. Some people use it to learn new skills, like playing an instrument, taking an online course, learning a new language, or joining a hobby class.
Absolutely. Hobbies that help you grow can be very rewarding. Many of our listeners use their free time to learn English, and it's great when it feels fun instead of stressful.
That's true. I respect people who use their free time to improve themselves, but it's important not to overdo it. Free time should feel enjoyable, positive, and energizing, not like another obligation.
Right. Learning English can be part of your free time in a fun way, like listening to English songs, watching movies or series, reading short stories, or listening to podcasts like this one.
Exactly. If learning feels enjoyable, it becomes a hobby, not a chore. Speaking of hobbies, Anna, do you think free time has changed since we were kids?
Definitely. When I was younger, free time felt endless. I played outside with friends, ran around, laughed, and didn't worry about anything. Now, as an adult, free time feels more valuable, and sometimes I have to plan it to make sure I really enjoy it.
I agree. Childhood free time was simple. We rode bikes, played games, explored, and used our imagination. Now, as adults, we have more options, but also more distractions like phones, work, and responsibilities.
And sometimes adults feel guilty for resting, as if we should always be productive. But free time is necessary for a healthy life. Without it, we feel stressed, tired, and unbalanced.
Yes, free time can also be a chance to try new experiences. I once joined a photography class just for fun, and I ended up meeting new friends, discovering a new passion, and having a lot of fun in the process.
That's amazing. Free time really can help us grow, meet people, and explore ourselves. Even small activities can make life more colorful and meaningful.
Anna, what's something you knew you want to try in your free time in the future?
I would love to try pottery. Creating something with my hands feels relaxing and artistic. What about you?
I want to try learning a new language, maybe Spanish. I think it would be fun and useful for traveling, too.
That's a great idea. Free time can help us grow, relax, and discover new parts of life. It doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. What matters is how it makes you feel.
Well said. Free time while traveling can feel even more special. Exploring a new city, walking down unfamiliar streets, trying local food, or just sitting in a cafe watching people can make you feel alive and excited.
Absolutely. Free time on vacation feels different because everything is new and it's a break from routine. I like trying local hobbies when I travel, like painting workshops, hiking, or joining a dance class. It makes the trip memorable and fun.
Childhood free time was also very different. Kids don't worry about schedules or responsibilities. They just enjoy the moment. Adults have to plan free time carefully to make it meaningful.
True. Adults also need balance. Quiet evenings, active weekends, solo time, and social time all combine to make free time enjoyable and restorative.
Free time is important for mental health. Even 20 or 30 minutes of doing something enjoyable can reduce stress, improve mood, and make the rest of the day feel lighter and happier.
Small acts of self-care during free time, like taking a warm bath, journaling, going for a walk, or cooking your favorite meal, can make a big difference.
Free time can be shared too. Spending it with family, friends, or pets brings joy, laughter, and connection. Even simple things like playing a board game or having a conversation can make life feel richer.
And free time alone is equally important. It allows reflection, creativity, and rest. Even a few quiet minutes with tea or music can make a big difference in your mood.
Free time can also depend on the weather. On a sunny day, I love going outside, hiking, or having a picnic. On a rainy day, I enjoy staying home, reading, baking, or watching a movie. Both can be enjoyable in different ways.
That's true. And technology also affects how we spend free time. Sometimes scrolling social media feels relaxing, but other times it makes us tired or anxious. It's about finding a balance between screen time and real-life experiences.
Absolutely. Free time can be online or offline, but it's best to use it in a way that makes you happy and relaxed. Social media can connect us, but real-life experiences usually make us feel more fulfilled.
Free time can also include trying something new and even funny. Like once I tried a virtual dance class and I ended up laughing at myself the whole time. It was silly, but very relaxing.
I can relate. I once tried cooking a complicated recipe and completely burned it. It was frustrating, but also funny. Sometimes free time gives us funny memories, too.
That's what makes free time so valuable. It can teach us, make us laugh, help us reflect, and give us energy. Listeners, free time doesn't need to be long or perfect. It can be simple. Listening to music, reading, taking a walk, watching a sunset, or just sitting quietly.
Exactly. What matters is enjoying it and feeling refreshed. Free time is a gift we give ourselves.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
And before you go, please subscribe to support our lessons, share this episode with your friends, and comment your thoughts below. Tell us how you like to spend your free time, what hobbies make you happy, and what new activity you would like to try.
We can't wait to read your comments. Take care, enjoy your free time, and we'll see you in the next episode.